Pagka bang barurong, ma'am, you do not know me from Adam.
Nalaman natin, meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Ano? Hindi naman ako COA.
Ako po ay nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Eh, kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drugs. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang hanap buhay yan eh.
Mr. President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of me, sir. I can take care of
Yes.
myself. Magtanong na kayo na magtanong, ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. That if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal.
Yes, very personal.
You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slowly.
Panyero, you talk slower. Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi na iintindihan. I am a president of a sovereign state, and we have long ceased to be a colony. I do not have any master except the Filipino people. Nobody but nobody.